All right, so what we're going to talk about, we've got an interesting repair here, and it's a Ford Escape that we're putting a rear frame rail in. So you can see the damaged piece of frame rail here, and we're going to replace this. What we're going to talk about is the importance of following the OEM procedures. And so we're replacing this section of frame rail, which we have looked and Ford does okay, a sectioning procedure here. They actually have two different procedures, one where you can replace about this much rail, and one where you can replace about a foot of rail. And we're going to talk about the importance of making sure you're doing it correctly. So essentially, because of access, it's really easy for a shop to just weld this bottom side of the frame rail upon replacement. But the actual correct way to do this, and the procedure that Ford wants you to do, is to cut a window in the floor here. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece of floor and remove this reinforcement so that we can get access to the top side of the frame rail. And what that allows us to do is weld both sides of the frame rail and follow Ford's recommended procedure. And when you're talking anything frame, this is a safety item, and so this is something that you would want to make sure you're doing it exactly how it should be done, so that there's no complications if this vehicle ever sustains another crash. So obviously we've printed all the recommended procedures from Ford, and our technician now will proceed with the repairs, but we've made sure that we are following all the required procedures and making sure that we're getting it back to pre-accident condition.